What's going on, guys? We dining with Chef Boyardee Sanders tonight. Makes a lasagna. A little idea of what's going in here. Freshly chopped onions, cottage cheese. I thought that was kind of weird, but hey, trying a new recipe and mixing some different things together. Mozzarella. Got some pepperonis in there because I like pepperoni. Parmesan cheese will be in it. Minced garlic will be in it. And of course, hamburger. Gotta brown all that first with these onions and garlic, etc., etc. And then put it over in my handy dandy crock pot. Yep, it's gonna be crock pot lasagna. It's gonna taste wonderful. Added the onions to the meat. Now to add the garlic. Okay, I've added the mozzarella cheese. I've added the cottage cheese. I've added the Parmesan cheese. Now I got to mix all this up. Okay, all the cheeses are mixed all in together real good. Now I got to brown the meat, the onions, the minced garlic. What else did I put in there? Forgot. Oregano leaves. Dried oregano leaves. Got to brown all that. Now to the browning. Film this the entire time while it browns. Okay. Now the hamburger meat, onions, garlic, and all that is all browned, looking good, and oh man, you should smell it. Now I'm going to add the paste, the tomato sauce, some salt. Hold on 1 second. All right, tomato paste is added, tomato sauce is added, salt is added. I'm gonna mix all this up. Tell you what, this stuff looks good. I think if I wanted, I can just make noodles, make spaghetti, which is not what I'm gonna do. We're making Garfield Lasagna today. Name it after Garfield the cat, because he loves lasagna. Garfield Lasagna. Looked through a bunch of recipes online, seen some things I like, but then I just added what I like to it. For example, double the meat. I like meat in my lasagna. I don't want just pasta. So instead of a pound of meat, I added 2 pounds of meat. Same thing, cheeses, etc. Now you take the time to measure out salt. And the perfect little teaspoons. I use the palm of my hand. It's beautiful. Yes, my hands are washed. So, this is my family eating this Garfield lasagna. It's not being sold, so it's okay to use hands. Oh, don't let it look just beautiful. You should smell it. It's amazing. We've got garlic and onions and all that cooked in there. Good gravy. Okay, then you take the meat, put it in the crock pot, just a thin layer. I mean, I guess you can make it thick as you want. I made mine about 1/2 inch thick, maybe 1 inch. Just put that whole layer in there. Now I'm going to add the noodles on top. Make a layer of noodles. Then I'm going to make a layer of the cheese spread all over. And then repeat the process, and repeat the process, and repeat the process. Put the noodles on top like that. Just give it a nice layer. I added the noodles, then added the cheese, and then added some pepperonis. You can put pepperonis in the meat if you want to, but I actually forgot to put my pepperonis in and remembered and said, oh no, gotta have pepperonis on each layer. So I just put it on top of the cheese. Doesn't really matter. It's all getting baked together. Add another heaping helping of meat sauce. Then I'm gonna add some more noodles. Then I'm gonna add some cheese. Pepperonis in there as well. And then repeat till I'm done with all my ingredients. So it could end up being like 3-layer crock pot lasagna, just like Garfield the cat would love it, and the Sanders family will too. All right, now we're done. You don't put any more lasagna and noodles on top because they're uncooked. Then you want the sauce and the heat and all the cooking good, obviously. So it kind of almost looks like a pizza topping. I added more Parmesan cheese sprinkled over top, on top of my pepperonis. Now to add the lid and cook this bad boy. Okay, I got it cooking now. Set it on low. Cook it for about 4 to 6 hours. Of course, you want to keep an eye on it because they all cook a little bit different. You don't want to burn your lasagna. Garfield will not be happy. Okay, finished product. Now that just looked beautiful or what? Yep, all the noodles are soft now. So that means it's cooked through. Beautiful. Let me tear open a little bit of this and show you beauty. Woo! Woo! That's beauty all the way down. Ready to serve this to the family and enjoy. All right, guys, have a blessed day.